Hi guys, I'm Angel. Welcome back. Let's do laundry restock in real time. I like this cream laundry container. One, because it's metal. Two, it's aesthetically pleasing. And three, it has airtight seal. If you want to see the sped up version, make sure to check my reels or shorts. I like this container as well too because it's metal, has a bamboo lid, and has an airtight seal as well. Some people may not like pretty containers. If you want to keep in the original packaging, do you? I love it. It looks great. So this is what I like to do. If you find inspiration, make sure you do follow. But definitely feel free to always do what you want to do for your own laundry room. I came across these metal containers that are magnetic, and they also come with adhesive hooks as well. A lint brush was also included. So you can use this container for your dryer sheets, dryer balls. I originally did dryer sheets and then I changed to dryer balls. You can really use it for whatever you like. And the lint bin is awesome too because you can just hook it to your wash machine or dryer and you have somewhere to put your lint as you're cleaning out the dryer. I'll have all of these linked in the video, so definitely make sure to check for those. And they'll be in my Amazon storefront as well.